Have you ever struggled with getting your images oriented correctly on Windows 11? Well, today we've got you covered with a quick and easy tutorial on how to rotate images effortlessly. I'll show you how to rotate your images using the File Explorer app that comes with Windows 11. Start by launching File Explorer and navigate to the folder containing the image or images you want to rotate. Once you've located the image, right-click on it. This will bring up the context menu showing different options. We want to select either Rotate Right or Rotate Left, depending on which direction you want to rotate the image. Rotate Right will turn the image 90 degrees clockwise, while Rotate Left will turn it 90 degrees counterclockwise. Take a look at how these options are highlighted in the menu. If you need to rotate more than one image at the same time, such as a whole folder of photos, first select all the images you want to rotate by clicking on each one while holding Ctrl. Then right-click and choose the Rotate option. And there you have it. Rotating images on Windows 11 is a breeze. Try it out yourself and let us know in the comments how this tutorial helped you.